This guide provides you with 7 effective solutions to fix the iPhone stuck in the boot loop issue. Fix 1. Force restart the iPhone. Force restarting the device is the most common trick to fix the iPhone infinite restart loop. Different iPhone models have different methods for forced restart. iPhone 8 and newer models. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button side button until the Apple logo appears, then release. iPhone 7 7 Plus. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button simultaneously. Release both buttons when the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier models. Press and hold the home button and the power button simultaneously. Release both buttons when the Apple logo appears. Fix 2. Remove the SIM card. When the SIM card is not placed properly, it may also cause the iPhone endless reboot. For that, power off your iPhone and use a SIM card pin to eject the SIM card from the tray. Turn on your iPhone to check if the iPhone still keeps restarting the loop. Put the SIM card back into the tray. Fix 3. Restore iPhone using iTunes or Finder. Note that this method will erase all data on the device, so make sure to back up important data beforehand. Step 1. Open iTunes or Finder on your computer. Step 2. Connect the iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 3. Once iTunes or Finder recognizes the device, click Restore iPhone. Step 4. Wait for the restoration to complete, then set up the device. Fix 4. Put iPhone into recovery mode. However, this may also erase all the iPhone data. Thus, make sure that you have backed up your iPhone before proceeding. Step 1. Connect the iPhone to the computer, then open iTunes or Finder. Step 2. To enter recovery mode, follow these steps. iPhone 8 and newer models, press volume up, volume down, then press and hold the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. iPhone 7 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier models, press and hold the home button and the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Step 3. Once iTunes or Finder detects the device, click the Restore option. Step 4. Wait for the system to restore and then set up the device. Fix 5. Put iPhone into DFU mode. This is the most thorough recovery method, but it will completely erase all data on the device. Step 1. Connect the iPhone to the computer and open iTunes or Finder. Step 2. Follow these steps to enter DFU mode. iPhone 8 and newer models, press volume up, then press volume down. Press and hold the power button until the screen goes black, then press and hold the volume down button for 5 seconds. Continue holding the volume down button while releasing the power button until iTunes or Finder detects the device. iPhone 7 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the power button for 8 seconds. Release the power button and continue holding the volume down button until iTunes detects the device. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier models, press and hold the home button and the power button for 8 seconds. Release the power button and continue holding the home button until iTunes detects the device. Step 3. Once iTunes or Finder detects the device, click OK Restore in the iTunes window to restore your iPhone in DFU mode. Fix 6. Using iOS system recovery without data loss. If all the above methods cannot fix the iPhone stuck in restart loop, consider the professional program iOS System Recovery. Step 1. After installing the software on your computer, open it and connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Next, choose iOS System Recovery. Step 2. The program will detect the iPhone system problem automatically and display it on the interface. After that, tap the Start button to continue. Step 3. Confirm the iPhone information on the interface. If incorrect, choose the right information from the drop-down lists. Then, click the Repair button to fix the iPhone stuck in the boot loop automatically. Fix 7. Contact Apple support. If none of the above methods resolve the issue, it may be due to a hardware failure, such as a damaged motherboard or battery issues. In this case, it is recommended to contact Apple's official support or visit an Apple store for repair.